Hello everyone, today we are going to make this solid object. So I will be using this as a reference for the dimension. So let's start. So at first make sure that the unit is set to mm, or else you can change it by pressing on this icon and change it to the millimeter. Now let's create a sketch and let's choose the front view and front view XY plane. Double click on that. So now we are in the XZ plane. Now let's create a line you can also create a line by pressing on the L button. Let's make it a construction line by selecting it from the sketch palette menu, or else you can press X on the keyboard. So let's make these two lines construction line. You can do this by, you can multi-select by pressing the control button. So let's give it a dimension. You can press D on the keyboard in order to give the dimension, or else you can it's there in the sketch create drop down menu. Let's give it a dimension of 10 mm. So now we are going to add some few lines and later we are going to give the dimension. So we are going to give a dimension of 80 millimeter. So as you can see, these lines are turning black. That means these lines are constrained. We are giving a dimension. If it is not constrained, it will be in blue in color. So again, I'm using this image as a reference in order to give the dimensions. So as you can see, this is moving because we haven't constrained it. So let's give a dimension of say 50 mm. So as you can see, all the lines have turned black. That means they are fixed. So now let's give dimension to some few lines. So I'm selecting these 2 points and let's give it a dimension of 30 mm, and this one 40 mm. Let's give it 50 and let's give it a dimension of 230. As you can see, all the lines have been turned black, and it's a sign that all the lines are being fixed and they won't be moving. And let's revolve it using create a new body, and let's choose Z axis and let's okay. So in this way, this solid object is being created. As you can see, this was very simple. So if you wanted to watch some more videos related to this content, please subscribe to my channel and also press on the notification icon. I hope you must have understood how to create this solid object. Thanks for watching. Also do subscribe the channel and also press on the notification bell so that you will get time to time notification when I upload new videos. Thank you all. Signing out.